How to use DART Paratransit Prepay. DART Prepay is an exciting and new, web-based method of prepaying your DART Paratransit fare, using a credit or debit card. Prepay is available to paratransit customers, caregivers, agencies, or anyone with a client ID and PIN, responsible for scheduling DART Paratransit trips. Activate Prepay. First call 1-800-553-3278. Inform the reservationist that you want to set up Prepay. To participate, you must have an email address and debit or credit card. Once you have notified reservations, visit the Prepay website, log in and set up your account. Visit dartfirststate.com/app/DTC Prepay. Log in to Prepay. When you visit the Prepay website, log in using your Paratransit ID and PIN number, and click Login. If you receive an error message after entering your client ID and PIN number, you will not be able to log in. Please call 1-800-553-3278 to ensure that Reservations has activated your Prepay account. After a successful login, you will notice the main dashboard, where you must choose one deposit method, either a one-time deposit or recurring deposits. You can also review your deposit history. Choosing a deposit method. It's up to you to choose one deposit method. It can be based on how often you ride, or if you want to keep a certain amount of money in your account to cover the cost of multiple trips. If choosing a one-time deposit, we require a minimum $16 deposit to cover the maximum cost of one round trip. If your balance is lower than or equal to $16, you will receive an automatic low balance email notification from DTC Paratransit Prepay. Or, if choosing to set up recurring deposits, a first-time deposit of $25 will initially be charged to your credit/debit card. Thereafter, when your balance falls below $16, the amount you specified will be automatically charged to your card, allowing for uninterrupted prepaid trips. Making your first deposit. After selecting one deposit method and selecting Go, you will be asked to enter a deposit amount and complete billing information, including address and email. DTC Prepay will send an email confirming the funds you specified have been added or submitted for processing by your debit/credit card company. You can change your deposit method anytime. Account funds are usually reflected in your Prepay account within 24 hours. After completing a deposit, an order number is generated, and will be listed in an email you receive from DTC Paratransit Prepay, confirming the transaction. You will receive a second email from DTC Paratransit Prepay, confirming that the funds you deposited are available to pay for your paratransit trips. Review your balance when logging into Prepay, and as long as you maintain a sufficient balance, your trips will automatically be deducted from your Prepay account. Have questions? Please visit the DART Prepay website and read over our frequently asked questions, or call 1-800-553-3278. Thanks for riding DART Paratransit.